two cars start from rest at the traffic light and accelerate for several minutes. The graph shows their velocity as a function of time t. Which car is ahead after 1 minute? Which car is ahead after 2 minutes? To find out which car is ahead after 1 minute, we can approximate the distance the car has traveled after 1 minute. The distance is the area under the velocity because both of these velocities are positive. For car number 1, the distance is the area under the curve car 1. And for car number 2, the distance is the area under the curve car 2. And so we see that the area under the curve car 1 is more than the area under the curve car 2. We conclude that after 1 minute, car 1 is ahead of car 2. Next, which car is ahead after 2 minutes? Similarly, we estimate the area under the curve from 0 to 2, not 1 to 2, but 0 to 2. From 0 to 2, we see that the area under the car 1 is this region from 0 to 2. And the area under car 2 is this green region below the curve car 2 and above the x-axis. Comparing the area under the curve from 0 to 2, we see that the area under curve car 2 is more than the area under the curve car 1 during 0 to 2 interval. So we conclude that after 2 minutes, car 2 is ahead. We started the discussion of the definite integral by estimating the area under the curve. The area under the curve, if the function f of x is positive, then the area under the curve is the integral from a to b f of x dx. In this case, the velocity times the time is the distance, but we can think of it as the distance being the area as well. But this is only when the velocity is positive. Recall that if the velocity can be negative, then the integral will give us the displacement, not the total distance traveled.